Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore leads with ClickFunnels funnel tracking and events, full guide step by step clearly. To restore leads with ClickFunnels funnel tracking and events, first, log in to your ClickFunnels account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the funnel you want to track. On the funnel dashboard, head over to the top menu and click on the Settings tab. In the Settings menu, look for the Tracking Code section. Here, you will enter your tracking scripts or pixel codes from your analytics tool. After entering the codes, save the changes to ensure they are applied. Next, go back to the main funnel page and select the specific page where you want to monitor events. Click on the Edit button for that page. Inside the page editor, navigate to the Settings button in the top menu. From there, click on Tracking Codes again. You can set up event tracking for actions such as page views, form submissions, or button clicks. To track specific events, you will need to use a popular analytics tool like Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel. Obtain the event tracking code from your chosen analytics platform. Once you have your event code, copy it to your clipboard. Return to ClickFunnels and paste the event tracking code into the appropriate section of the page editor. Be sure to identify whether you want to add the code in the header section or the body section, depending on your tracking needs. After pasting the code, ensure you save the changes. Now, test the funnel to ensure that the events are being tracked correctly. You can do this by navigating to the funnel and performing the actions you set up tracking for. Once you complete the actions, head back to your analytics tool to verify that the events have been recorded. If you see the events reflecting in your analytics dashboard, congratulations, you have successfully set up funnel tracking. If the events are not reflecting, double-check the tracking codes for accuracy. It may also help to clear your browser cache and refresh the page before testing again. With tracking in place, monitor the data to identify trends and optimize your funnel for better lead restoration. Regularly reviewing your funnel analytics will help you adjust your marketing strategies based on lead behavior. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.